Welcome to my channel, Fix Weak Wi-Fi, how to connect a router to an extender properly. Step 1. Place the extender in the right spot. Plug the Wi-Fi extender halfway between your router and the weak signal area. Avoid walls, metal objects, and microwaves. Step 2. Power on the extender. Plug in the extender and wait 1 to 2 minutes until the power light becomes stable. Step 3. Connect to the extender network on your phone or computer. Open Wi-Fi settings and connect to the extender's default network name shown on its label. Step 4. Open the setup page. Open a browser and type the extender's setup address, usually printed on the device or manual, to access the setup page. Step 5. Select your main router network from the list of available networks. Choose your home router's Wi-Fi name. Step 6. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Type your router's password carefully and confirm to connect the extender. Step 7. Create or confirm extended network name. You can keep the same Wi-Fi name or create a new one for the extended network. Step 8. Wait for successful connection. Allow the extender to connect to the router. The signal light should turn green or stable. Step 9. Test the signal strength. Move to the weak Wi-Fi area and connect to the extended network to check speed and stability. Step 10. Adjust placement if needed. If the signal is still weak, reposition the extender slightly closer to the router and retest. Thanks for watching. Follow these steps to enjoy a stronger, more reliable Wi-Fi connection at home.